Morning, George with Water Medx. We started our business 16 years ago, helping people with mold, water entry, asbestos. This morning, I was preparing to come here, and I got a panicking plumber on the phone. He said, "What are you doing?" I go, "I'm getting ready to go see Pete. I have a presentation ready." And he goes, "I need you over here right now." I'm like, "Well, that's my job, man." Pete, I had to go help him. I had to do it. We have a commercial building. A lady had water entering several places. She had roofing patched multiple times, and whoever she's been hiring to help her has not been doing a good service for her. They're taking her money, but she keeps having issues. Her tenants are not paying her, so I had to quickly grab my professionals around, go inspect this lady's property, and try to help her. And that's part of what we started as a business community, finding people who need our service, need our help, putting together a team of people who are service-oriented, God-oriented. That, you know, sometimes you have to drop what you're doing to help those in need. I've been building relationships around Atlanta for 15 years, 16 years. And golly, it's like a big family, Pete. You know, you have a lot of people who know they can call me, even if it's something I don't specialize in. We have a group of people here. That's why we build these communities around us, so we can help the community, keep everyone together. And results-wise, you know, I have. It's great listening to everyone speak. I have a young man that's been working with me. He said, "You know, why? You know, I'm so young. Why do I have to do this? Get up, go to work." He would come in late, miss work a lot, and the older guys are like, "You know, hey, you know, let's just get somebody else to help him." I said, "No, you know what? Part of our business model is helping people, teaching, and go and grooming people." And so, you know, over the last 5 years now, he's the first one to call, first one to go to work, first one to help people. He's, you know, taking it really serious. But that's part of our business model in this community is, you know, teaching the community, educating, getting the right team, and putting it together. So thanks, Pete. I appreciate you.